If you want to shut down your Samsung Galaxy S26, but you don't want to touch the screen at all, because, for example, you can't because the screen is broken, it doesn't work, or for any other reason, then in that case, you need to prepare two things. You need to prepare a laptop or a computer, and also a USB cable. And what you're gonna do is you want to force restart the phone. So to do that, we're gonna use the power button and volume down button. We want to hold these two buttons for a couple of seconds until the screen completely shuts down, or the phone shuts down. So if you can still see if the screen is on or off, then that's some great news. And once the screen completely shuts down, once you perform the force restart, then you will have to immediately connect the USB cable to the phone. And after that, press and hold power button and volume up button. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, you want to hold the volume up only. And then you should be able to go to the recovery mode. So let's give it a try. First, press and hold power and volume down. And in the meantime, we're gonna prepare the USB cable, but not connect yet until the screen shuts down. Then we're gonna plug it in, power and volume up, and then volume up. And there we go. Now in here we should be able to navigate in this menu by using volume buttons, so you don't have to touch the screen at all. Just use volume up or volume down. And you need to select power off option. In the meantime, we can also just unplug the USB cable. It is not necessary to have the phone connected anymore. And once we have the power off selected, just press the power button to confirm your choice. And there we go, the phone should be now completely off. Now, the next time you turn the phone back on, you will be back into the recovery mode. So let me quickly show you. There we go. And if you want to go back to the normal mode, just choose reboot system now. Make sure that it is selected and of course press the power button. The phone will restart and go back to the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.